In this video, we will show you the software used with the expansion control system from Delta ROV. The first software on the left is the Ocean Viewer, and this allows you to connect to the Delta ROV IP cameras, and it's freely available with all our cameras. We have a zoom in function, zoom out function, focus in, focus out, as well as a video frame grab. On the right side, we have the Expanse control software, which talks with the Expanse PCB. The first button on the top is the laser, which will turn on and off. And this is connected to the first output of the Expanse PCB. The second button, IO2, IO3, and IO4 are not connected. The camera is turned on right now, as you can see in the Oceanvault viewer. Then the next button is a relay, which we're going to turn on and off. Anything could be connected on there. Could be a DC motor, an extra light, or anything that requires to be controlled by a relay. And then IO7 is not connected. And the last button here is the PWM on and off. If this is turned off, the PWM signal will not come out of the expansion board. The first we have is the Newton on channel 1, which is set to momentary open and close. The second one is the small servo, which we can control with the software. The third one is the big servo, which has been turned on with the B servo relay. Now we can drag the slider and the last one we have plugged in right now is the light, which is controlled with the slider as well. Apart from that, we have the thruster isolation board, so you can go ahead and deselect all the thrusters. So we'll deselect thrusters 1 through 8 now. And then obviously the small 5 volts and 12 volts relays, we can turn them on and off, but there's no indication apart from the fact that they either close or not the supply for the servo and the lights. Then we have the Reach Mini control. And the Reach Mini control, you have the jaw position in millimeter. So if you open the jaws, click on the open button. You can see the position change in the software, which will be equal to the position change in the Reach Mini grabber. We're now going to rotate, and the position that the jaw is rotating at will be equal to the jaw angle command that's being sent. This concludes the video of the Expanse control system software.